Hi, this time I'm going to recommend a must-have food for your girl, which is So Good Crispy Chicken Nugget. So Good Crispy Chicken Nugget is a smart choice for boarders who need convenient, fast, and delicious food. The cooking process is very easy. Just fry for a few minutes until crispy and ready to eat. So you no longer have to worry about lunch and dinner. Once fried, this nugget becomes so crispy with a delicious texture that perfectly blends with the golden brown. This nugget produces a crispy, crumbled outer layer that provides a crunchy sensation. The perfectly layered outer shell adds to the enjoyment, while the inside remains soft and succulent. And these nuggets have just the right amount of flavor to make them an everyday side dish. And the price is also very affordable for students.
Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. This girl is her. Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light.